that was bad, yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back to Music and Munchies. So after a failed attempt to make a vegan chocolate chip zucchini bread video for you, this week instead, I'm gonna show you what I received in my Imperfect Produce box this week. They buy directly from farmers and they buy from the 20% of food that goes to wasted on farms because it's too ugly to be sold to supermarkets. So they buy directly from these farmers and they deliver it right to your doorstep at about a 30% discount than what you would get in a grocery store. Another aspect that I love about this company, if you qualify for the SNAP food program, then you also qualify for an additional 33% off your box, which is such a cool thing to do. I've been using them for about 3 weeks now, and I'm just in love with this company and I want to share it with you and maybe inspire you to take a look at ways that you can reduce your food waste as well. So it's pretty neat because you can customize your box. Every week is a little bit different with what's available. So we are on our way up north. We're going to the northern part of Michigan and it's Labor Day weekend, so I'm going to share with you some recipes that I made over Labor Day with my Imperfect Produce box. Alright, so this video is not sponsored at all. I just think it's a really cool company, a really cool concept. If you would like to support this channel, then go ahead and use the link below and you will get $10 off your first order, and I will also get $10 off. So it's a win-win situation, you guys. If you want to reduce your food waste, then use the link below to sign up with and you'll get $10 off. Pretty cool. So let's go take a look and see what we got. This was probably twice the amount that I normally get. This will last me about 2 weeks, and this all was about $60. So let me break it out for you. Here it all is, folks. Looks so beautiful on the table. Aww. So it's kind of neat because they do offer pantry items. So they had some chickpea penne pasta on sale. I needed some capers. Capers are a great way to like fancy up your meals without like spending a lot of money. And this jar will last you a really long time. We were out of raisins. We've got some more raisins. Because it is zucchini season, I got some zucchinis. And plus I'm not gonna quit on that zucchini bread. I'm gonna get it. And we got about 4 limes, 2 pears, some peaches, some potatoes, nectarines, apples, lots of apples. Got 2, oh look at this one, this funny little dude. So we got 2 cucumbers, got some cauliflower. This is the only thing that came in a package, oh besides this tomato over here. Got some cantaloupe, organic cantaloupe. Nothing really too wrong with it, a little bumpy, but who cares? These taste amazing. I had some cantaloupe in my last order and it was so delicious. I had to get some more. Some organic celery, lots of avocados. Got a bunch of kale. I like to eat kale every day in a smoothie or steamed or in a salad. We got 3 heads of lettuce. Wow, we got a lot of lettuce. Some broccoli, onions. Look at this guy, oh my God. Look at you, you're gnarly. Some plums, I believe these are plums. Look how teeny they are. Or they're nectarines. Nectarines are plums. I'm not sure what they are. I've never seen a plum look this color. Some heirloom cherry tomatoes. Yes, and I think that's it. So I'm really excited to make some delicious food with this beautiful produce. They're so cute. They have so much character, and there's really nothing wrong with them. Maybe like there's some spots on that, but like who cares? It still tastes amazing, you know? First thing we did was cut up this cantaloupe. We had 2 cantaloupe in the order. This is really good. So last cantaloupe of the season, cutting it up. Gonna have this for like breakfast or for snacks. Really good. So we're taking this funny looking guy with all his character. We're gonna peel him, make a African sweet potato peanut butter stew. We cooked the beans, we soaked them, cooked them in the Instant Pot or pressure cooker, whatever. I sauteed some garlic and onion in the saute mode, and then I added some curry powder, some ginger root powder, and some cinnamon, and then a can of crushed tomatoes, the sweet potato, and a veggie bouillon. Added some peanut butter, and now pressure cooked it for about 5 minutes. Quick release it. And now we're gonna add some coconut milk. Okay. Before that, we're gonna add some of that kale that we got in the order. So lots of kale.
So add that kale in, and then the beans that I cooked in the pressure cooker earlier. So we're gonna stir that up and then just add the coconut milk once I can get the can open. The soup needed a little bit of acid in it, so I add a little bit more salt and then the juice of like half of one of these limes that I got in my order. That helped balance it out really well. Limes, oh, they smell really good. So we made a little salad with that lettuce we had in the order. All right, here's the finished product. Sweet potato peanut butter stew. We are back home because I have a gig every Sunday that I had to come back home for. So we hauled ass back home and now I'm home from my gig. I meal prepped. I'm so proud of myself because I'm a terrible meal prepper. For some reason, it just overwhelms me to make that much amount of food in one sitting. I don't know, I just can't get my head around it. Basically, all the produce that is gonna go bad first, I threw it into a big Tupperware and made a salad so that I have salad ready to go for the week. And it's a really great way to just remind yourself to eat more salads and more fresh produce. What are you doing? Are you just a hyper girl? Are you hyper? Yeah, I cut up all of the lettuce and the carrots and cabbage and cucumber. Some garbanzo beans in there. So now I have a big old thing of salad, see how big it is, ready to go throughout the week. And I'm having a little bit of that tonight. This chickpea pasta, woo, calm down. Making a really simple, easy, classic meal. Pasta and salad. I mean, you can't go wrong. Oh, just in time, you guys. Let's eat some pasta. There was also a tomato that I needed to use up, so I cooked up the tomato in the pan and added that into the pasta. Really simple, beautiful, delicious, healthy meal. Some chickpea pasta with some salad on the side. All right, let's dig in. If you want to see some more recipes that I made from the produce from my Imperfect Produce box, next week I'm going to make a what's for dinner video, give you some great vegan dinner idea tips. And if you want to also support this amazing company and help reduce food waste, click the link below and you'll get $10 off your first order. So I will see you all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Happy munching. Bye, Felicia.